So now we're getting on the boat to go to the Macaque Klula.
What time do you think they have to wake up?
4 o'clock in the morning. Also, look at the moon.
Go to the back, please. Leaving those. Yeah, of course. Yeah. But like maybe.
Many black vultures.
So now we're here waiting for the fog to go by, and when the sun comes up, the tour guide said that the fog will go away. So right now the macaws are in the trees, and you can hear them definitely.
That sound is just not fucking macaw. We say hello.
Scarlet macaw up there.
There's a bunch of green parrots.
Try to get this on video though. So right now I see through the telescope one scarlet macaw and a bunch of green parrots, and then 2 red and green macaws.
But there is a chest in front of the macaws. These are not parrots. Remember, the macaws are long tails. So that small macaws.
Yeah, not really, because you compete with the fog.
Oh shoot, they're fighting. I think those are all scarlets.
So many scarlets.
Wow.
Look, they're living over there. What is that?
Oh, when we were in Barcelona, they call the bicycle canoes. No, I mean. Yeah, the water goes.
And then we go to find capybaras, yeah?
Alright, we're going back now, and on the way back, we're looking for capybara.
It's a clock. That will be 11.
Family of
Have the
capybaras.
turtles there.
God, there's so many, like there's 6 capybaras. 6 of them? Yeah.
I don't know. When these cats come for them, they just jump into the water. Capybara is no Spanish, it's no English, it's no German, it's no French. Capybara is Tupi. It's a dialect spoken in Brazil before they were conquered by Portugal. So capybara means grass eater. These are just females, eh?
Starfruit.
Oh my gosh.
Here's
there's a
the
beehive.
creek. This is the creek that we had a caiman search in last night.
Okay, keep going.
You want to go first or second?
You can go first. It's okay.
Okay, so there are some macaws, and it's using its beak to climb down. But right now, it's interested in us. Okay, so now we're having dinner inside of Puerto Maldonado. And it's at a place with 5 things on their menu, really small.
Mm.